Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I am going to be unboxing my brand new Motion RC F-22 Raptor. The Raptor has retractable landing gear, a 70mm EDF jet, and it has flaps, ailerons, elevators, rudders, all that good stuff. And its wingspan is 32.1 inches, and its length is 45.3 inches. So, let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so looks like we've got some instructions here and some like warning labels and stuff. We've got all that. And then you got the manual. And then in here, the elevators, wings, maybe rudders. So right here we got some servos, some servo arms. We have some servo arms, some screws, some other things like that. And then right here we have one of our wings. So actually these wings have ailerons and flaps. That's all they got. Then here we have what I'm assuming are rudders. And we got the other one right here. And then I'm gonna take off this piece, entire body of the plane. And here are the horizontal stabilizers. We got our nose cone of the plane, and then right here they actually don't look like they function, but right here we got our horizontal stabilizers. So yeah, and then last but most definitely not least, we have the main body of the airplane. So here we got, landing gear on the plane, fuselage, and then in here we got battery compartment right here. I actually already have a battery for it. It looks like, nah, dang it. I gotta buy a receiver for this thing before I can fly it. So yeah, we got that. That's all on the top of the plane. Then we've got obviously we've got all of our controls for the rudders and stuff. So I am going to read the instructions for putting this thing together. Looks like we're gonna start with putting the horizontal stabilizer on. So that would be these. Okay, we got both of these out of the bag. And then, so how these things actually do function. So if you see that little servo right there, that controls this rod, and that rod goes into this hole, which whenever you use the servos, makes it go up and down. Okay, I figured it out. Wait, did I? Okay, now I guess I just repeat it. Okay. So again, these are the wings. And there are 2 quick installs on here, so I don't have to use the screws. So we've got wing number 1, and these are the quick installs. They're like little buttons. Okay, so we got wing number 1 on. Okay. All right. So excited to fly this thing. So we got the wings on. All right, so now we're going to install the vertical stabilizers. So we're gonna get those out of the bags. These are them. All right, so we got the right stabilizer. We're just gonna put it in. All right. Okay. All right, now we're doing the next one.